Hey everyone, I hope you can hear me and see my screen. So this is myself, Mohammed Shafiq Rajak. This is my LinkedIn profile. So I have been working for 3.5 years with digital marketers and agencies, and I am a web analytics expert. I mostly do all my works with these two tools, Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4. And I do conversion tracking, server-side tagging, Facebook conversion API, and many more things. So this is a little bit of introduction about me. So the purpose of this video is to showcase a recent work of myself. This is a very simple work that I'm going to show you right now. So recently I have a client who has a website that is defenderdoor.com. It's taking a bit time to get loaded. Yep. So this is the website. So you can see this is a website that is selling doors and windows. So the main job for this website is to track the lead forms on each page. So you can see that this home page has a lead form. Now they have different tabs for doors, windows, and contacts. So if we go to the each page of these doors, let's go to the security storm doors. So you can see that they have a different lead form here. If we go back, if we go to the entry doors, you can see a lead form there. If we go to the Windows tab, you can also see a lead form there. So what my client wants is that to track these lead forms and send all these lead submit event back to Google Ads, and he wants to specifically see on which page, on which forms the leads are coming in. And he also wants to capture the email and phone number to enable the enhanced conversion tracking for Google Ads. So that the ROI becomes better for the Google Ads to optimize better. So to get this job done, I have taken the access of the Google Tag Manager account from my client. So let's go to the Google Tag Manager account. So you can see that this is defender.com. All right, so these are the conversion tracking tags that I have set up. So I have set up almost 12 conversion tracking tags for each of those forms on those pages. So let me just pause this custom HTML tag that I have included. Let me just show you with a pause. Yep. So now the tag is paused. Okay. So let's preview the tagging. Okay. All right. So you can see that the tag assistant is connected now. And you can see that the conversion link tag and the Google Ads configuration tag has been fired. And let's try this home page lead form. Let me just put on some dummy data over here. All right. So when I click submit, it takes me to a thank you page. And when we check the data layer, you can see that there's two form submit events that has come over here. But you can see that there's no email or phone number that is registered here, so that we can track and send that back to the Google Ads for the enhanced conversion tracking. And also we need to track each form separately to see from which page the lead comes from. So To achieve that, I have written a custom HTML code using custom JavaScript and incorporate this tag, proposing this tag. So this is the code. You can basically see that it is capturing the email and phone number from the form and just pushing it into the data layer. You can see that. So let me just unpause the tag and show you the difference. All right, now so the tag is unpaused. Let me preview it again. All right, so you can see that the tag assistant is connected, and if we go to the Google Tag Manager, we can see that the custom HTML tag has been fired. All right, let's try the form on the home page again. All right, so the form has been submitted, and if we go back to the data layer, you can see that there's a unique event named form_submit_home, and if we click on this event, you can see that the Google Ads conversion tracking home page contact form, this is the tag I have set for this, specifically for this lead form on this page, has been fired. And if we go to this data layer, you can see that the email and the phone number is also being tracked. And if I click on this conversion tracking tag, you can see that it is also sending the enhanced conversion value and is sending email and phone number back to Google Ads for enhanced conversion tracking. So I have written the custom JavaScript code in such a way so that the form submit event name comes with the page path with its form submit name, so that I can easily use it as a trigger for each page. So let me just show you that. If I go to the window tab and fill out this form on this window tab, all right, so the form has been submitted, and if I go to Google Tag Manager, you can see that there's an event, there's a unique event, and the event name is form_submit_vinyl replacement window Chicago. That is the page path. If you go to the variables, you can see that the page path, that is the page path, that is the page path for the form page. So I have included that in the event name so that I can set this as a unique trigger to fire my conversion tracking tag. And you can also see that the tag is tracking the email and phone number and sending it back to the Google Ads for enhanced conversion tracking. So that is basically it. I have already completed the project and delivered it to my client for the review. So that's it. That's basically it. If you need any help with something similar, you can always DM me on my LinkedIn profile. So that's it. Bye bye.